I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Adding a debit card to your Affirm account is straightforward, and I'll walk you through the steps. Step 1. Open the Affirm app. Launch the Affirm app on your smartphone or visit the Affirm website on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Methods. Once logged in, find the Payment Methods section in the menu. This is where you can manage your cards and payment options. Step 3. Select Add Debit Card. In the Payment Methods section, look for an option to add debit card. Click on it to start entering your card details. Step 4. Enter your card information. Fill in the required fields with your debit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for any typos to avoid errors. Step 5. Save your changes. After entering your information, click the Save button to add your debit card to your account. You should see a confirmation message once it is successful. Remember, if you encounter any issues, ensure that your card is not expired and that it is a supported debit card type. Happy shopping with your new payment method.